The iconic KICC will be absent from the 2019 Safari Rally, which will begin at the Kasarani Sports Complex and feature a super special stage at the same venue. This year's competition will be a candidate event for the 2020 World Rally Championship circuit and as such is bound to attract a lot of interest from international teams. Meanwhile, after a 2-year break, KCB has made a return to sponsoring motorsports in the country. The 2019 Safari Rally will start off at the Kasarani Sports Complex rather than the traditional KICC, as changes are ringed around Kenya's premier motorsports event that is seeking a return to the World Rally Championship.
We have to look at the security aspect of the event. I'm not saying that KICC is not secure enough, but we want to bring in as many people as possible.
The Safari Rally, which will be a candidate event for the World Rally Championship, will be held in July away from the traditional Easter dates. In keeping with international standards, the Safari will be run on closed roads largely around Naivasha and Elementaita, and there is interest from international teams.
I have met virtually all the teams, right from Tommy Makinen, who is the team principal for Toyota, and he's expressed interest to come down and see what we are doing. Maybe send a car.
The rally was first held as the East Africa Coronation Safari in Kenya, Uganda and Tanganyika as a celebration of the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II in 1953 before being named as a Safari Rally in 1974. It last featured in the WRC in 2002 with Colin McRae, navigated by Nicky Grist, winning in a Ford Focus. Meanwhile, the Kenya National Rally Championship and the National Autocross Championship have both received a 75 million shilling sponsorship injection from KCB Bank, who have committed to the disciplines for 3 years. 20 million shillings will be spent on the staging of KNRC events and 5 million shillings for autocross.
We are giving 20 million specifically for all the KNRC events, not the safari. The 45 included the rally.
There will be a total of 7 national rally events, beginning with the KCB Nakuru Rally on the 2nd of February, while autocross will have 10 events, starting with the first competition in Mai Mahiu on Sunday.